Man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy B58 Reed coming back to y'all with another video. You feel me? So right now I'm on the college campus. Why not? You feel me? So right now I'm just waiting on my girl to get out of class so we can go to Mexico and go back home type shit. So I'm like, why not just get y'all POV drive? So that's what we finna do. So let's get right into it. All right, we inside the car, man. I totally forgot I turned off the air in this car, and it's hot. And it's 88 plus degrees here. Next time. Hold on. It's too hot. All right, y'all. Let's get to this POV, man. Of course, we gotta put in Sport Plus. I would turn off traction, but I got a nail, so. And I gotta get that. I gotta go to BMW to get that done. Well, we will roll down the window. Right now, this car is stock, as y'all know, but mods will be on the way, of course. Of course. Because I want this. I got some big things, you know, I got big plans for this car. If you haven't seen the previous video, go ahead and stop what you're doing and go ahead and watch it. Because it is a banger. Should I hold a camera like this now? It's been so long since I did a POV drive, y'all. But I just got this car like a week ago. And when I tell you I love this car, I love this car, man. It's just, this was always my second option. And I'm glad I went with this one. Because this car is extremely fun to drive. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get all the way down. Too quiet for me, way too quiet. I don't like it. I like my cars being loud and obnoxious, if I said it right. It's cute. Don't roast me in the comments, you feel me? Okay, at least they're driving like civilians. Look at that. Come on. When I tell y'all, it's so hot. I'm so good. It's so hot. I can't do this right now. Come, go. Bro, just hit her. Just simple as that. I bet you she won't be in the road again type shit. Throw that bit in manual. Alright, let go. Man, I need some tint on this because I don't like people seeing me. There is a cop down there. I did see that, so I can't push it. But we're going to. But y'all can't tell me this thing don't sound good, bro. It sounds phenomenal. I just can't wait to get everything done on it. Look at 12, right? Just sitting right there. I need a tune also. I need to get some stuff done to it, but it's a whole process. Even though I want everything done now, gotta wait. Oh my God. This thing get up. This thing get active. I want to smoke with him. Really, I want to smoke with everybody. Well, hopefully there's no cop. We're gonna give you a 0 to 60. Let me hurry up. Traction off. And I just said I would. I wasn't gonna turn off traction, but who cares? Oh my God. Oh my God, that thing was moving. Oof. I ain't gonna lie, I was really looking out for cops, to be honest. I didn't even see how fast that was. Comment down below how fast that was, because I did not see that. I was too worried about cops. Let me turn the transmission back on. I can't wait for the tune, man. This is gonna be fun. But comment down below what kind of car y'all drive. I'm curious. Because I just came back. I came from a 2016 Honda Accord. And when I tell you it's a huge difference from the Honda to this, like, it's a huge difference. A lot of more features and all that, of course. But the speed, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna cap to you. I feel like this pull I'm not gonna say just as hard as the Scat Pack, but it pulls. I ain't gonna lie, it pulls. It's just like, the Scat Pack is a lot more aggressive. That is like more, of course, American. You know what I'm saying? It pulls mad hard, you know what I'm saying? It's strong shifts, but it's okay. It's okay. After my first tune, this thing is leaving a Scat. I want all the smoke with the Scats. After the, I think stage 2, I want to smoke with, I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. I'm just chatting at this point. I'm gonna get y'all when it's like is. And what's it called? I really need to get my GoPro, but it's at my house, and I have no idea where the screws are to put the head mount on. What they got going on over there? Ooh. That like military stuff. Oh, well, good luck everybody, because that military ain't for me. Oh, telling you, wait till I get the exhaust done. I cannot wait. I really want flames. I ain't gonna lie to you. I want flames, but I know it's bad for the car, so I ain't gonna get flames. But you know what I'm saying? Just stay tuned. Stay tuned. I talk too much. I want to spoil everything, but no, y'all stay tuned. But if you are enjoying the POV, please go ahead and like and subscribe, because we will have a lot of banger videos. We will have a lot of banger videos. I'm telling you, just we'll just watch. Once I start getting this thing right, videos will be dropping left and right. I've been gone too long, but I'm back now. I've been grinding, but I'm back, like I said. Let me roll up the window. It's a little hot. Oh my, it is too hot. I know I keep complaining it's hot, but like, I kid you not, like, look at this. Like, I don't deal with the heat very well. I'm more of a guy who likes the cold, but yet again, I hate the cold too. Well, I only like the cold when I'm sleeping. What kind of bike is that, y'all? Kind of hard. But like I was saying, I don't deal with the cold well, nor the heat well. I like warm when it comes to outside, like 7 degrees type shit. 75, room temperature. Oh, this light's taking forever. Look at that. Look at that. All right, let go. Wait! Oh my God, just wait. I get too excited, bro. I got ADHD, so yeah, I get excited for stuff. Ooh, this thing. Ooh. It's torquey too, I ain't gonna lie. This car mad torquey. It throws you in your seat. Worst thing is, these are like speakers, like, because y'all know, if y'all don't know, BMWs, what's it called, use speaker sound with fake engine noise basically. So I don't even know if this is what the actual engine sound like. That's the worst part. But I'm gonna get it tuned to get it removed, because I got this little thing, what's it called, that I can remove it. So I just gotta pay for it. I just haven't felt like paying for it right now, but I will, probably next week, probably today. Who knows? But I will make a video on that, what I'm gonna get done, because I do need 200 on the dash. I need it. Because I seen that you can do that, I need it. So I'm gonna get that done. Come on, I want to smoke with him too. I just want like a good race. Cause I've been bullied. When I was in my Honda, I was bullied by everybody. I never forget one of these Infinities. That dude was harassing me to race him. And my Honda was straight pipe, so I kind of see why. But it was stock at the end of the day. And like, dude was harassing me. It was bad. He would not leave me alone. It was bad. And the crazy thing is, I left him. It was bad. Like, we was cutting up, I left him. Ooh. Don't you just hate when you do that to your car, bro? That'd be blowing. But as I was saying, like, it was bad. It was bad. Then he started pulling on me, so I'm like, I already hit my governor's speed, so I'm like, I'm gonna let off. Next thing you know, I kid you not, him and his boys put their thumbs down. Dude, I left you in my Honda while you were in a Q50. Or was it a G37? I don't know. Just know it was an Infinity, but it was one of the fast ones. I left him. And you gonna put your thumbs down? You are crazy, bro. You're lucky my car wasn't modded. So I want all the smoke with the Infinity, Chargers, Challengers. Like, they all bullied me. So I gotta get back, you feel me? Did I just say yo? Ain't no way I just said go. Ooh, I want to smoke with that Mustang. Hold on. Oh yeah, it's a V6. I'm turning around. I'm looking for trouble. Alright. Where'd he go? Oh no, I'm looking for trouble. I'm looking for trouble. Right. Just hopefully he don't crash into me. Look at that. Ooh. Y'all see how smooth that was? With the phone in the hand. Damn it, I lost him. Oh well. And this thing is so smooth. Even though I wanted to scat so bad, this thing just drives too smooth. It drives too good. Like the cuts be so smooth, be so easy. It's not as bumpy too. The suspension is really good, but you know, we gotta lower this thing. We gotta do a lot of stuff. It's only the beginning, man. It's only the beginning. Oh, I cannot wait. Man, I get excited thinking about that. Just comment down below if y'all get excited thinking about stuff like that. Like I'm so excited because I always wanted to build my own car. Cause I want to do this car YouTube stuff, man. This is my passion, to be honest. So why not just keep going for it? And besides, this is something that I love to do. Like I said, it's my passion. Yeah. They don't want no smoke. Come on. Okay, ain't no collar good. But I'm probably finna go back to the apartment because I don't feel like wasting any more gas. But this was just a little quick POV, you know what I'm saying? Just a little something. This is a little small town that we in. So I ain't trying to really get myself in trouble. So I'm gonna end the video off here, but if you enjoyed the video, what the heck? Dang, somebody was doing burnouts and sliding. Where was I? But anyways, if y'all enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hey man, I'm telling you, videos will be dropping left and right. Stay tuned for all the modifications, POV drives. We're gonna be lit, man. We're gonna be a lit channel, man. And I hope y'all enjoy my channel, man. I just wanna put out entertaining content for y'all, so I'm out.